How to turn off page you manage likes on page post notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page you manage likes on page post notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down, click settings, and then click notifications here, and go down, click pages you manage and select your page, and now just click page interactions and go down, and here you will find it likes on page post. Click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.